What's good, everyone? Hope everyone's doing well, staying safe. This is Erden, and we are back with another live cop video. We don't have a whole lot of footage when it comes to live cops. Main thing we went for were the Jordan 11 shock drops. We also had the Dunk High Platinums and also Jordan 1 Co Japan Navies, as well as the Dunk concept collaboration, the Turdunkans. We didn't go for the Supremes, we couldn't go for the Dunk Veneers, and we didn't have a whole lot of footage on PS5s as well. So we had a few decent drops, but we really didn't have a whole lot of footage, mainly because we had some guests over for the week and we couldn't really record a whole lot of footage, and we were outside most of the time. So, but nevertheless, we still got some decent cops this week, and we want to show you some unboxings. We got some really cool stuff that came in the mail, and also mainly for this week's video, we wanted to talk about some of the giveaways that I mentioned during my previous week's video. So definitely stay tuned till the end of the video. We'll provide you with more details on the giveaway that we have work together with our sponsors, as well as some of the inventory items I'm going to give away as well. Alright, just want to say, if you do like the video, don't forget to smash that like button, and trust me, you want to do that. And also, if you have not done so, don't forget that subscribe button and notification bell for us. Alright, now let's roll into the live cop and then go into unboxing, and then lastly we'll talk about some giveaways. Roll it. Alright, so that was the shock drop of the Jordan 11 25th anniversary. It went by relatively fast. I didn't get a chance to record the footage, but you were able to see the results that came in from TSB. So huge shout out to Keith Adams. If you guys haven't seen him yet, definitely should subscribe to his channel. He provides really up-to-date news on sneaker releases, and he also provides some shock drop information as well. And today I was able to see his video on the Jordan 11 shock drop that was rumored to release today. And then also when I was eating, I got a notification from Essential by Syed saying that it's gonna drop at 8 p.m. I was able to hit 4 Jordan 11s on TSB, so huge shout out to TSB. I was using the Nike account providers TO Kicks, and also I was using Proxy from Proxy Chef. So overall, a good day. I think, granted, one of them is the size 17 that I'm most likely going to return. I didn't really have time to set up the sizes, so I just went random, and then go figure, I got a size 17. That's a freaking bolt. So anyway, I'm glad it would turn out well. So it is what it is. Pretty happy with the result nonetheless. Got one, let's go.
Yeah, we finally hit the Shopify. Holy crap. Yo, it's been a tough week, man. When it comes to sneakers, it's been a very tough week. For Supreme, I wasn't able to run because I was actually outside. So apparently the aerial jackets is actually doing hella well right now. So props to anyone who got them. That's alright. We got one so far. Let's keep running. We got more drops later. This Jordan 1, the Japan Navy drop is going to be very limited. It's not dropping on foot sites, so the main hope we have is on Kith and Shoe Palace today. So fingers crossed and see if we can do well. We got one so far. That's a good way to start the day.
I don't know what this is. I got stuck on caption. Oh, got one? Nice. Oh, we got a dunk? No way. Did we really get a dunk? Dude, if this gets canceled, I'm gonna be very, very sad. Did we really just hit a dunk? I can't believe that. nice. We got this. We got the men's size too. So we got 2 on Nike. Manual actually worked for me. Nice. Hey guys, so this is all the shipment we got for the past 2 weeks. So we're gonna start with the PS5s. These were the pre-orders I made back in September. I was able to get 4. 3 of them already sold and shipped out. This one I'm saving for my friend, giving it to him for retail because he's one of my best friends and he deserves it, you know, he just had a baby. So this is a very, very valuable piece right now. And I'm not gonna open it up, but it is a very, very nice piece, I gotta say. Let's take a look at some sneakers. So this one is the Jordan 1 Mid. I'm gonna butcher the Spanish. It's called Días de los Muertos. So this is the Day of the Dead Jordan 1 Mid. It is, oh, okay, I can see why it's a girl shoe and why it's pretty. I think these are pretty nice. It's got the familia here, it means family. Very nice material. I'm not a big fan of the Mid, but I think they knocked it out of the park with this one. All right, so this is the Air Force One skeleton. This is the orange one. Let's take a look. Wow, this is big. Is this a size 10? Yeah, it is. Wow, okay. It's a size 10 and it looks huge. But these are really nice. It's got the skeleton on the foot. Very nice orange colorway. Black one is doing really well in terms of resale and I like these a lot. So yeah, very nice. All right, now let's go to the big boys. So these are the Jordan 1 Mochas. We got 8 here. We got 1 more that's already sold and then 1 that's actually kind of lost right now. Foot Locker, somehow FedEx sent it to a different state. I don't know how that happened. So I called Foot Locker and they're saying that this is something that's a glitch on their system and the shoe is currently sitting in California right now. So we don't know when that's gonna be, when that hour we're gonna get that. So, but we still got some here and let's take a look. So we're gonna look at the GS size. So supposedly these are the mini Travis Scott Jordan 1s. Let's see if it's real. Okay. Wow. The suede is nice. The leather is nice. I like these. These do look like the Jordan 1 Travis Scotts, I gotta say. The suede is honestly really nice. Very similar to the Travis Scott ones as well. The leather, not as comfy as the Travis Scotts, but you can't really knock on it either because it's really nice. Like I can see why these were really hard to cop and I can see why the resale value is still holding up right now. Yeah, pretty nice. I like these. The last thing I want to show you, now this one is something I wanted to shout out to my sponsor and one of the first groups I ever joined, RESELLAIO. Yeah, these were the backdoors that they were able to provide at the beginning of this year. I ordered 2 of these for $500 a piece, and now both of these are sitting at around $1,200 average right now in terms of resale. And let's take a look. These are the Jordan 4 Off-White sales. Here it is. Yo, like, can you believe it? I'm actually holding an Off-White in my hand. So, I gotta say, like, if you guys are still wondering why you should join RESELLAIO, let me tell you, this is why. This is one of their big backdoors that they were able to provide for their Cook Group members. And they also have the Chunky Dunkies, the Ben & Jerry Dunks. They also have the Travis Scott Dunks. They have some other ones in the work right now that's going to be coming out soon. So if you guys do want to join, stay tuned for the giveaway information I'm going to talk about later as well. All right? Like, these are fire. Like, really, really clean. Really, really comfy. Like, I'm holding these in my hand. I can't believe I'm actually like looking at it. So yeah, this is my girl size, women's size 7, which is a 5.5 in men's size. This is my girl size. See if she wants to keep it. Alright guys, so just wanted to say thank you guys so much again for the 1K subscribers. We are definitely very grateful for the fact that you guys are, you know, enjoying our channel and also enjoying the content I've been putting out. So to show our appreciation to you guys, I've worked with a couple of my sponsors for my channel, and we have decided to provide a giveaway for our subscribers, and hopefully you guys will enjoy the prize. prices. So you will see on the screen now, we have several different giveaways in place with our sponsors. Number one, with RESELLAIO, the cook group that I've raved about since the beginning when I started my reselling and botting journey. They've been very kind to provide my viewers and subscribers 2 monthly memberships for you guys. So you guys have a chance to join RESELLAIO, which provides a lot of detailed guides on reselling, on botting, as well as some insane backdoors. So with all that being said, thank you to RESELLAIO, the cook group owners as well, for providing my viewers the chance to win 2 monthly memberships. Number 2, we have Essential by Syed. This cook group is honestly one of the best cook groups in terms of learning how to be a better botter. They provided some in-depth analysis and guide on how to be better on different sites using different bots. And your boy was struggling with Shopify until I joined this group, and I've learned a lot from them. And the owner, Syed, was kind enough to provide my viewers a chance to win 1 monthly membership. This cook group is definitely one of the best ones if you wanted to get into botting and learn more about botting. Just one thing to note though, this is not for beginners. They have their sister group called Resell Apprentice, which is more focused on novice botters, beginner botters. Essential by Syed is more for intermediate or expert level botters. So if you guys wanted to one up your botting experience, definitely check this out. You will have a chance to win 1 membership that's renewed monthly as well. Lastly, we have EasyClick Gmails. Like I said in my previous video, that I've been using them exclusively for all my capture Gmails. When it comes to Supreme, Easy Supply, as well as Shopify one-clicks. They are one of the best Gmail providers out there right now. All my cops on Shopify, on Supreme, I've been using them for capture Gmails. So they are very, very good. And honestly, I think it's a huge win if you're able to win some of the giveaway prizes they provide. They're providing 2 premium one-click Gmails, which will provide you 1-clicks on Shopify sites, as well as 3 warm Gmails that has 0.9 V3 scores. So if you guys are in need of some nice Gmails for your Shopify captures, definitely join this giveaway as well. All right, all you gotta do is follow my Twitter account, RESELLAIO's Twitter account, Essential by Syed's Twitter account, as well as EasyClick Gmails Twitter account, as well as retweet and tag one of your friends. Then you'll be able to enter this giveaway and have a chance to win some amazing prizes. So hopefully you guys will enjoy. And now we'll move on to the giveaway that I'm providing on my own. Also, during my previous video, I talked about wanting to provide a giveaway on some of the items in my inventory. All you gotta do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also leave 1 question in the comment section below, whether it be something about botting or you wanted to get to know me more, because I wanted to do a Q&A session for all my viewers as well. All right, so that's how you enter a giveaway, and we'll have several different tiers of prizes for you guys to win. We'll have 1 small Billie Eilish Uniqlo Takashi Murakami collaboration tee. This is a size small, and you guys will be able to win 1 of these. We'll be able to give away 1 tee of the Daniel Johnston Supreme Frog tees. This is a size large, black Supreme Daniel Johnston collaboration tee. We'll be giving away 1 of these Kith Coca-Cola collaboration tees. This is a size large as well. This is a really nice tee, honestly. I already cut 1 myself, and if you guys do get a chance to win 1, definitely it will be great for a personal. All right, so the last prize we'll be giving away to 1 lucky winner, 1 Kobe 5 rings. This is a size 7.5. So this is the prize for 1 lucky winner. So we got 4 different layers, 4 different prizes, 4 different winners. And this is on top of the giveaway we're providing you guys with my sponsors. So hopefully you guys can see how much we really appreciate you subscribing and supporting my channel. And we will continue to work hard at everything we do. And hopefully we'll spit out more content for you guys to enjoy. And really, really from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys so much.
So that's all. If you guys do like the video, don't forget to smash that like button and try to get a price that we have for you guys. And also, if you have not done so yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for us, all right? We're really appreciating the fact that you guys enjoyed our channel and our videos, and we'll continue to work hard. All right, so in the meantime, keep it cool, keep it real. This is Erden. Peace out.